Hey there, friends. Ever notice how some places just feel like a warm hug? That is what we are diving into today. The magic of turning any house into a cozy haven. You don't need a degree in fancy design stuff. It is all about creating a space that makes you go, I'm home. We will chat about simple tricks and tricks that can make a big difference. So go whether you have live in a tiny apartment or a spacious house, stick around. We are about to uncover the secrets of making your space as comfy as your favorite old sweater. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt that is just had something special? That is the beauty we are exploring, not the expensive kind, but the kind that makes you want to kick off your shoes and relax. We will dig into what makes a home not just pretty but also a place where you genuinely enjoy spending time. No need for complicated jargons, just down to earth talk about how colors, furnitures, and even a bit of nature can transform a space. So grab a copa, get comfy, and let's chat about making your home the most beautiful it can be without any fuss. Alright, folks, let's kick off with the ABCs of making your home look awesome. Interior designs is like the magic touches that turns four walls and a roof into a place that feels just right. It is not about fancy label or high-end brands. It is about figuring out how to arrange things so your space feels inviting. Imagine it like setting up a game. You decide where each piece goes to create a winning environment. We will chat about making your room not just look good but also feel good, like that favorite hoodies you never wanna take off. Now let's get real. It is not just about tables and chairs. Interior designs is the secret sauce that set the mood for your whole place. Ever walk into a room and think, wow, this feels nice? That is the vibe we are after. We will talk about colors that make you feel calm and energetic, how to arrange stuff so it is easy on the eye, and little tricks can turn a plain room into your personal sanctuary. So, if you are have ever wondered what makes a room more than just a space, stick around with us as we break around down the basics of interior designs in the simplest way possible. Have you ever noticed how the colors around us can affect the way we feel? It is pretty fantastic. Picture this, a room bathed in warm, sunny yellows instantly make you feel more cheerful, while calming blues can create a peaceful vibe. That is the magic of color in interior designs. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty colors. It have this cool power to influence our mood. Warm colors like red and oranges can bring in energy and excitement. Think about our lively kitchen spaces. On the flip side, color tones like blues and greens can help you unwind in your cozy bedrooms. It is like a silent language. Your walls and furniture speaks to your emotions. Let's chat about arranging your furniture. Basically, how you place your stuff in the room. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, it is like solving a puzzle to make your space feel just right. Imagine walking into a room where everything feels cozy and makes sense. What is the that is the magic of your good furniture arrangement. First thing, first, think about how you use the spaces. If it is a living room, make sure the sitting is comfy and facing each other to easy conversation. So once want to shout across the room to chat about the day. Next up, don't be afraid to mix things up a bit. Try different angles for your furniture. It adds a touch of interest. Oh, and please give your furniture some spaces to breathe. Don't cramp everything together. Let it flow. If you can walk around without doing a furniture obstacle cross, you are on the right track. So rearrange with a purpose, keep it comfy, and let your room become a place you actually want to hang out it. Easy peasy, right? Now let's talk about making your place uniquely yours. It is not about spending a fortune. It is about adding bits of yourself. Picture this simple framed photo on the wall or that quickie mug you got as a gift. These small things turn a house into your heaven. Every thoughts about dye projects, they are not just for expert. Anyone can try their hand at making something special. Maybe an handmade through pillows or a painted vase. It is these personal touches that make guests say, "Wow, this is so you." So don't shy away from letting your personality shine in your spaces. It is like telling a story through your decor, and trust me, it makes coming home even more delightful. Lighting plays a big role in how a room feels. Have you ever noticed how a soft lamp can make a space feel cozy? Well, that is the magic of lighting. Think about it. Bright lights can make a room lively and energetic, while warm, dim lights can create a calm and relaxing environment. It's like setting the mood for your room. Affordable ways to play with lighting including using different kind of bulbs. Experiment with warm and cool tones to see what suits your space. Also consider adding a couple of floor or table lamps to create pockets of light, making your room feel more inviting. Now let's talk about natural light, the superstar of lighting magic. Don't underestimate the power of well placed windows. It not only brighten up your space during the day but also connected you with the outdoors. Sheer curtains can soften the sunlight, creating a gentle glow. And hey, don't forget about candles. These may seem old fashioned, but they add a warm and flickering touch that can instantly make your space feel intimate. So, whether it is soft glow on the bedside lamp or the natural sunlight streaming in, lighting is your secret weapon for creating a truly magic home. Have you ever thought about bringing a bit of the outdoor inside your home? It is not just about having fancy plants, it is about creating a refreshing environment that soothing your soul. Imagine the joy of walking up to the sight of greenery in your living room. By combining these elements, you can create a space that not